Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So first of all, what you have to do is ensure that you have the latest version of Facebook app installed on your device. Sometimes an outdated app can cause certain features including Facebook dating to not show up. So head over to your App Store or Play Store and update the Facebook app if needed. If updating the app doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to check if Facebook dating is available in your country. Currently, Facebook dating is only available in selected countries, so if you are not located in one of those regions, unfortunately you won't be able to access it. Assuming you are in a supported country, the next thing you should try is to first close the Facebook app. The simple step can often resolve any temporary glitches or bugs that may be causing Facebook dating to not appear on your profile. If force closing the app does not work, you can also try and clear the caching and data of the Facebook app. This can help to remove any corrupt files that may be causing the issue. Just go to your device's settings, find the Facebook app and then clear the cache and data. Finally, if none of the previous steps have worked, you can try installing and uninstalling the Facebook app. It will ensure that you have a fresh installation of the app, which can sometimes resolve more complex issues. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.